Welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting and innovative videos on natural language processing using Python. We have gone through few videos on natural language processing such as speech to text using command line and using stimuli. Then we have seen language translation using stimuli. We have also seen natural language processing, emotion detection in text, and many more. Today's video is really creative. It is about speech to text and vice versa. So it is enhancement of the previous video of speech to text and text to speech. So let us go through the program. This is all about speech to text and text to speech. Now I will execute the program. Akshay Kumar is a action hero.
Akshay Kumar is an
Then Govinda is a super dancer.
Govinda is an super.
शाहरुख खान रोमांटिक एक्टर है.
Shah Rukh Khan is an actor romantico.
So I successfully done with speech to text and text to speech. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on natural language processing and many more. So keep watching my YouTube channel, sanjaymahajanyoutube.com. Thanks for watching.